Good morning, reception as well. Here we are again for our reading workshop lesson. So, super readers, I know you've been working really, really hard on your reading superpowers. So, do you remember how we've been learning about using our pointer power? So, you are pointing to each word as you're reading. We're not missing words, we're not adding words, we're reading each word. Yesterday, we introduced having snap word power. So this is another one of our reading strategies that we use when we are reading. When we get to a word and we're not quite sure what it is, we can use our snap word powers, just like that snap. So I'm going to show you that again today. So I found my book that I'm going to read, and you're going to read this one as well. And this is called The Toy Box. Now, have a look at this. Look what I found in the title. The word is the. As you know, that is a red snap word. But I've already had a look through this book because that's something that I do before I read. I don't just pick up a book and go, oh, I'm just going to read it. Even when I'm reading my adult books at home, I don't just pick up the book. I actually have a little sneak peek, and sometimes I might even go to the ending, but you know what? That's just what I do. So I like to have a look at the book. Sometimes I look at the pictures, and I have a look to see if there's any snap words in here that I can read. And as I was reading this book, I realized there are two snap words in here that I know already. And these words are the word my and put. My is a snap word that we looked at yesterday. And put definitely is a snap word because you just can't sound it out. If I was to try, let me have a go. Put, pat. We don't say pat when we're thinking about putting things away. I can imagine this book is about putting things back into the toy box. Maybe someone's been told to go clean up your toy box, clean up your bedroom, and put your things away. So this word, when we come to it today, is the word put. My put. So when you see these words in your book, you will know them already, and you don't need to sound those words out because snap words, you need to know them in a snap. Okay, I'm also going to use my pointer power, so don't forget that. Let's read together. The toy box. And as you know, this is one of my tricks that I've been telling you about. I don't just start with the words. Reading is not just about the words, it's also about using your pictures. And we're going to be talking about picture power coming up really, really soon. So I'm going to look at the words. I'm going to see if I can find my snap words. There's one, there's the other. And look, that word is I. So that is a snap word as well. So in this sentence, I can see there is 1, 2, 3 snap words in here. Wow, this makes it easier to read when we know they're snap words, doesn't it? Let's read together. Pointer power, don't forget. Use your pointer. I put in. That word we can blend together. In my. Now, what do you think this might be? I'm going to go to the first sound. That is a D. Have a look at the picture. That word is doll. I put in my doll. So yes, I think they are cleaning up. Oh, remember, picture, have a look to see what it is. There are those snap words again. Are you ready? I put in my. Now, I'm not quite sure what this is, but I know it starts with a D and I have an A. And do you remember when you come across two kurts, you only say that sound once. You don't go k. You read it like this, reception. D, A, K. Duck. And I'm going to go back and read it all again to make sure I'm nice and fluid. I put in my duck. Wonder what's going in now? Let's find out. I put in my teddy bear. I think I can hear you say, Mrs. Selning, you've just said an extra word. because I did. I put the word teddy bear in because, yes, it is a teddy bear. But does these words say teddy? Because it has B for bear. The word teddy is not there, so I'm going to read it again properly this time. I put in my bear. Okay, Receptionals, you are going to be reading this book today using the same reading strategies that we've been working on. So, do you remember? Pointer power and snap word power. Find your snap words. And even if you want to do what I do, is look through your book first. It doesn't have to be this book. It could be any book at home that you're reading at the moment. Pop your snap words up. So when you are reading it and you get to that word and you can't remember what it is, then you can go, oh, I know, it's a snap word. And there they are. Okay, Receptional. Happy reading.